for plugging the supply voltage to the armature is reversed so that it assists the back EMF in forcing the armature current in the reverse direction. So in any braking operation during the motoring mode, okay, the current is flowing from A to AA and field current also in the same direction. But in case of braking mode, the current through the armature winding get reversed, but the field current remain the same. So you'll see, okay, when the switch is in position 1, the supply voltage opposes the back EMF. When the switch is at position 1, then the supply voltage opposes the back EMF, and the motor is operating at certain speed in the first quadrant. Okay, so from this equivalent circuit, we can, by applying the KVL, we can write the armature current IA equal to ED minus EB divided by RA. ED minus EB divided by RA. So this is the equivalent circuit during the motoring mode, and the corresponding armature current is here. So IA equal to ED minus EB by RA. Okay. So this is the equivalent circuit during the braking for the plugging mode. Okay, so which is shown in the figure B. To apply the plugging, the switch is thrown to position 2. The supply voltage is in the same direction as that of the back EMF. A resistance RCCB, this is called counter current braking resistance. A resistance RCCB is connected in series with the armature to limit the armature current. The equivalent circuit, okay, so is the, okay, this is plugging mode. Okay, the armature current is reversed here, so now it is flowing from AA to A. In the motoring mode, the current is flowing from A to AA, whereas in case of plugging mode, it is flowing from AA to A. So armature current is getting reversed, whereas the field current is not. So therefore, the torque is developed in the opposite direction. Making the motor to decelerate. Okay, and the corresponding, okay, voltage equation, it is written in the next slide. Okay, so here, okay, during the plugging or during the braking mode, the armature current is reversed, but the field current is not changing. The current is reversed, but the field current is not changing. Therefore, the torque developed is in opposite direction, making the motor decelerate. So we will apply the KVL in the second figure. Okay, so if we will apply the KVL here in the figure 2, you will get the armature current IA equal to ED plus EB divided by RA plus RCCB. So during the braking mode, the armature current is IA equal to ED plus EB divided by RA plus RCCB. Just you see in the motoring mode what we are getting. So here it IA equal to ED minus EB divided by RA. See this actually difference, the armature equation, armature current. IA equal to ED minus EB by RA, but in case of braking mode it is IA equal to ED plus EB divided by RA plus RCCB. Okay, and the corresponding speed torque relationship is here. Okay, minus T divided by K phi whole square into RA plus RB minus ED divided by K phi. Okay, and the speed torque characteristic can be drawn for the plugging mode, both for the motoring as well as the plugging mode, as shown here. Okay, so this is during the motoring mode. Okay, so it will located in the first quadrant. Okay, and in the for the braking mode, it will be located in the second quadrant. Just see over here. So here actually, okay, the motor is running at a speed corresponding to the point A, and which will be in the first quadrant. So here the DPDT switch will be at position 1. Okay, for the plugging mode, okay, the switch will be thrown to position 2, as already we have discussed here. The operating point shifting from point A to B, that is in the second quadrant. So okay, as the torque is opposite to the direction of the rotation, the speed decreases. Therefore, the back EMF decreases and the armature current decreases and torque decreases. The operating point moves along the line B, C, D. So, when the operating point reaches to the point C, the speed is 0, but the back EMF is back EMF also 0. Okay, but the supply voltage is still there. Okay, so at this point, at this instant, the supply voltage is to be cut off. Okay, if the supply voltage is not cut off, okay, the motor starts moving in the opposite direction. So if the supply voltage is not switched off, the motor accelerates in the opposite direction in the third quadrant. So this is the speed torque characteristics for the motoring mode for during the plugging, and this is that's why just see the characteristic here in the first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant. Okay.